Welcome to this tutorial in which we're going to show how to change the pick and drop positions for the robotic arm. So what I have done here is I have changed the position of the robot and the rotation a bit in order to show you that if I hit play, everything is going to work really badly. So you can see that it's not working properly. This is because the relative positions for the picking and the dropping have changed with the rotation and displacement of the robot. So to adjust that, let's go ahead and select manual here and let's deactivate the buffer. So we'll be able to move the robot like this. Well, if you are having that problem too, go to the several calls and deactivate the several calls too. So yeah, like that, nothing should appear. So the idea is you can move your robot using the different keys from your keyboard. That will be W to move it forward like that, as you can see. You can use S to move it backwards, and you can use Z and C to move up and down the grip. So the idea is to position the robot in the new picking zone, as I'm doing now, and this will be the place in order to pick the new game object. So what we're going to do is open a text file, as I have done here, and we're going to copy the results of, you can see here that we have the displaying quaternion string, that is the total arm string here. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste this inside. So this will be the dropping, the picking, sorry, the pick string. And now we're going to do this similar thing with the dropping position. So we're going to move the robot. For example, we're going to go to number 4 now. So we're going to move our robot there. And we're going to adjust a little bit everything. So it will be something like this. Yep. And now we get the total arm string again, and we put it there, and it will be the drop. So this is like an intermediate step we can use to move the robot directly and apply the positions after. So now in the pick string, we have to erase this value here, and we have to paste the one that we have obtained from the editor. And we're going to do something similar to the first drop string that is here. So we get the drop string and we paste it there too. So now if we activate the server calls on the buffer again, and we put the robotic arm multiple to auto, we'll be able to see if the picking and dropping movements are working properly. And in fact, it's almost it's working fine. Okay, as you can see here, you have to make some little adjustments, but at least the picking is working properly. So this is all regarding how to apply the different picking and dropping modifications to your robot. Remember that you can add as many dropping positions as you want, and you can change the picking string and picking drop strings from the editor. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you have a clearer idea of how this works. If not, please contact us, as always, to the email that is in the description. Thanks very much for watching again.